Now I want to open this floor by saying that whether Article 91 gives us so much freedom that we can do anything and everything in the garb of Article 91, or there are certain limitations. I want to point out one another thing, that there are many anti-social activities going on, there are anti-national activities going on. We are government is not doing anything. We are saying that opposition, we are saying that the Pakistan is safe above terrorism, but we are threatened by not terrorists. We are threatened by our own citizen, because our country is becoming nursery for those anti-national element. So I want to open this floor by Sandeep.
I want people to speaking at last, let everybody express, and then speaking.
Anyone can open this floor.
The students of JNU, they have started slogans against India. It is just an anti-social activity which is taking place in JNU. I would like to say the example of USA. If the USA, which they did with the USA, they would do certain anti-national activity of Laden, then what USA will do in that case? The same conditions should be applied in India. Means if they are people, they are doing the anti-terrorist activities in the shadow of being a student. They are students. They are meant for studying, and they are the future of our nation.
Some students in the JNU, in the height of the cultural activities, they said that the Afzal Guru's Phansi was a judicial planning or judicial conspiracy, a political conspiracy. And our country is not in the position to take a very strict action towards these anti-national activities. In other countries, we can take the example whenever India was a British colony itself. The Bhagat Singh was hanged by the charges of the sedition. So we can say that the other countries are very strict in their approach. But in India, even the politicians, they even comment after a very strong social support against this issue. If we talk about, like, Rajnath Singh gave his comment today itself that I told police authorities to take the strict action whatever be possible, and the complaint is also registered, and the charges are under 124A. 124A is against the sedition charges, and 120B is the criminal conspiracy. JNU is a very big university, and if the students of that university is doing things, that it is giving the wrong message at the national level. And what about the taxpayers? Because the JNU is running off the money of the taxpayers of the Indian people, and Indian citizens are thinking that why our money should be given to such a university in which such anti-national activities are going on. So if there is if these anti-national activities are going on such a university which have a very wide impact on the national level.
A very good evening to all. There is a problem today, a huge problem today, and the problem is with a weed. It's a weeds problem that it has to be weeded, not otherwise. Otherwise, there would be a jungle. But there are psychological undercurrents with this problem also. We have not to ignore those. People of Orpheus, muffle up your drum and loosen the strings of the lyre, because you cannot command a skylark not to sing. We, the people of India, we give ourselves liberty, qualified. We protect the integrity of this nation, unqualified. Unqualified. We are one, we are Indian. The problem, is that when we are Indian, how we are Indian, and where we are Indian. This thing has to be analyzed and scrutinized. And my dear, know this thing, that freedom of conscience and freedom of belief are two different aspects. Freedom of conscience and freedom of belief. More is when it feels to be Indian, how it feels to be an Indian, and where it feels to be an Indian. We, the people of India, are here to protect the integrity of this nation. We, the people of India, are being provided qualified rights. We, are the people of India, are provided with qualified liberty. So, you can muffle up your drum and you can loosen the strings of the lyre, but you cannot just sing any song. Thank you.
It's a conspiracy to curtail and brand a certain section like this. And if you don't do that, they would come out here and tell, what were you doing? Why did you let Pathankot happen?
The preamble clearly states
the law took its force.
Yes.
In Afzalpur, when we are seeing what happened. So we need to address that why law took its force, and we need to make everyone understand.
And that's what the law is doing. They have been charged under sedition. The JNU student union president.
Why they should be charged with sedition?
Yes,
What
I'm telling
thing?
you. what they have done is a
Sir,
mere
can I have
representation of
the
fiction.
One by one.
It was produced or under the garb of promoting culture and something like that. So something that is a fiction should not be equated with facts.
Sir, the fiction, what you are telling that they.
You are saying what I heard. I don't know so much about this issue, but suppose that in a form of drama, if something has been enacted and through that the loopholes of legal system has been exposed, why it should not be accepted as a kind of
Sir,
criticism?
what you are telling.
See, they have not gone to the extent of posting tricolor of a different nation, or they have done something that has gone against the nation.
Sir, they have
That is
told
the way of
भारत की बर्बादी तक जंग
Listen,
रहेगी.
that is the way of manifesting their frustration, their lack of
Sir,
faith.
you can't let the frustration manifested at the cost of national integrity.
First of all, its gravity and intensity has to be measured up.
Let's sing a section. Let's sing.
If they are not so vocal and if they fail to get popularity, definitely they will be marginalized.
Sir.
People are not going to be swayed by a handful of people. What they have said, that is not the representation of the
That was
entire
a one, sir, that was a legal question. And let me talk about 1902, sorry, not 12, 1902.
reasonable restriction.
Reason. And that reasonable restrictions, there is one word: sovereignty and integrity of the nation, of the state, public order, decency, morality, and contempt of the court. And lastly, I did defamation. So I will talk to you point by point. First thing, this issue has been decided by the court of law, highest court of law, that's Supreme Court of
I
India.
disagree with
1 minute, sir.
one thing.
1 minute, sir. And that is that Afzal Guru was a terrorist and he was given death penalty. That's a question which has been concluded by the law, the highest authority. So, when you raise a question against the judiciary and targeting it that it is wrong or immoral, then it attracts a particular act, that is Contempt of Courts Act. Section 124 simply states that any person with by words either spoken or written, तो भारत की बर्बादी तक जंग रहेगी. These are the words which are actually spoken. That attracts section 124A in the first instance. Second, or by signs, holding, signs, anything, or by visible representation, the whole course of their drama. That was a visible representation because it was visible and they represented something. So that is mean by visible representation. Is affect brings or attempt to incite disaffection towards a government established by law. And in India, it is not a monarchy, republic. By the word republic, we still with it's not a monarchy.
Take it as a part of representation of something.
There cannot be any representation.
Let the matter be thoroughly probed. Let there be a thorough.
Sir, what is the theory? I have something.
You have said that there is a
I came here with data, sir. I came here with data. Let me show you.
Suppose
They will be
this is-
charged,
It can also do not have that level of power.
This is the
Sir,
beauty
it
of
is a
democracy
case.
as well.
Sir, Delhi police has registered a case of sedition in connection with the event following complaints of BJP MP Mahesh Giri and ABVP. This is a clear case of sedition and it has been registered by Delhi police, sir. Now coming to one thing.
If you are going to suppress them in a ruthless manner, it will
Then
lead
it-
to the outpouring of similar incidents.
Sir, do you mean to say that our country soldier life is very cheap? Do you mean to say that our country soldier life is very cheap, that they are protecting the frontier of the country, and you are saying that that nonsense people are doing anything and everything in the, under the democracy?
Suppose that they are not a citizen, they are not a layman.
एक second, don't come there. Even a person wants to destroy the democracy of India, then we should allow him to justify why he wants to destroy the democracy of India. This cannot be, this cannot be tolerated, sir.
Mohit sir has just given a news that Delhi police has registered FIR under 124A and perhaps the JNU Student Union President Mr. Kanhaiya Kumar has already been arrested. I accept in front of this house that I am in touch with AISF member of JNU. Many of my friends are studying in JNU. I am aware of the real situation. Yes, whatever they said, there are more than 8,000 students in JNU. Jawaharlal Nehru University, established in 1969. there are various centers. That is a world level university. Students from across the world are studying there. We have given the former cabinet secretary of Republic of India, Mr. Ajit Seth. The Itihad chairman has also studied in JNU. So I don't need to highlight the scholarly achievement of JNU. Rather, I want to highlight some other facts. What was done on the 9th Feb, perhaps the 9th or 10th Feb? 9th Feb. Some student has taken written permission from the office of Vice Chancellor to conduct a dramatic show whose title was A Country Without a Post Office. This was their title. They were representing themselves under this banner. Later on, some students of ABVP, they have complained to the Vice Chancellor that no, we are not going to accept this, we will oppose this. So the permission was withdrawn by the Vice Chancellor office. What happens in the meantime, 8 to 10 students, hardly 8 to 10 students, after the completion of the show, they had raised some slogans. And that was become the limelight of the media. 8 students does not characterize the importance of Jawaharlal Nehru University. Those 8 students will not determine the reputation of the JNU.
Yes.
If some students have done so, we are not going to shut down JNU. This is just absolutely stupid and rubbish.
Nobody is saying that. Nobody is saying that.
If someone that is trending on the
Let me clarify one thing that there is pre-planned poster which say that Kashmir ki azadi tag Bharat ki barbadi. There was a pre-planned poster and that had been distributed among
discussion on the lifestyle of the Kashmiri people.
Does it mean that Bharat ki barbadi?
No, that is not.
That is, I have fact, I have that template, I have that template.
I have a question.
Sir, I had already
Listen,
stated there is no
listen,
need to make
listen.
a speech to condemn that.
Listen,
That is
listen.
against the preamble of the
This is
Constitution.
one question. Suppose that a section of students are dissatisfied with the management of administration and students go to enact that kind of play where they are critical of administration. Will you ensure that the students who have enacted that play, they should be expelled from that university?
No, sir, and I am coming to that. Now the fire has.
No, I want to answer it. You can go and show dissatisfaction against the administration. Even we are dissatisfied with our administration, but we can go against the administration, not against the India. That is relevant answer. That is more relevant answer.
Sir, India is quite alert. No one is going against India.
Infidelity and dissatisfaction are two different words.
If someone has stated something against India, definitely they will be booked under the criminal law. But as sir has told that they are arrested, you must represent yourself if you have all the information.
Student doesn't mean the entire voice of JNU. Remember that.
That's why I am saying that 8 students does not represent the JNU.
No one is saying to shut down the JNU. We are just against the propaganda and the speech which were done there.
And again,
Whole India is against it.
I must remind
Who
you.
is supporting that?
I must remind you that sir, my debate is not about the JNU. JNU is one in row. That is one incident in row. What I am trying to say, again I am clarifying that it is not about one incident, it is about number of incidents. Any Tom, Dick and Harry and go and say that in India Murdabad and government is not doing anything. I can give you one example. 4 years earlier, there was one conference where Hurriyat leader, that lady, fiction writer lady, Arundhati Roy, what she said?
Sir, when you ask people to go to Pakistan, what is that? That is not anti-national. When you establish the statue of Nathuram Godse, what is that? When you praise the killers of Gandhi, what is that?
Nathuram Godse.
What
This
is
is
that?
anti-national.
Not anti-national.
Who said that it is anti-national? How you can establish that it is
Because he is the
anti-national?
father of the nation.
Where it is against the Indian nation? Sayyid Shah Zilani warned strong reaction in the Kashmir Valley if action was taken against students who organized an event on parliament attack convict Afzal Guru and JKLF founder Maqbool Bhatt in Jawaharlal Nehru University. That is one thing. Now coming to us. Sir, please, sir. Sir, and there is one cartoon which says that, I want to show it. One person is there on land who is saying that we'll destroy India, and our soldier in glacier is saying that we shall protect India. These are the two contrasting images.